This gun doesn't reload, it doesn't cycle, and it doesn't slow down, because it doesn't work the way most weapons do. Traditional firearms rely on mechanical systems. A round is chambered, fired. The system cycles, then repeats. Every step depends on movement. Metal Storm removes that entire process. Instead of feeding ammunition into the chamber, the ammunition is already there, stacked. Multiple projectiles are loaded directly inside the barrel, one behind another. Each round sits in sequence, separated by propellant. No magazine, no feeding system, just a column of rounds, waiting. Now here's where it changes everything. There are no moving parts driving the firing process. Each round is triggered electronically, which means firing isn't limited by mechanical speed. It's limited by how fast you can send a signal. And signals move fast, extremely fast. So instead of cycling rounds one at a time, the system can fire them almost instantly, one after another, at a rate that doesn't feel real. We're not talking hundreds of rounds per minute. We're talking thousands, even millions in theoretical configurations, because nothing has to move between shots. Now think about what that removes. No jams from feeding issues, no mechanical wear from cycling parts, no delay between shots caused by physical motion. But it introduces a different problem. Once those rounds are fired, that barrel is empty, and reloading isn't simple. Because the ammunition isn't in a magazine, it's built into the system. So instead of swapping mags, you're dealing with preloaded barrels or modules, which changes how the weapon is used. Now add control, because when you can fire that fast, precision matters even more. Dumping everything at once isn't always useful, so the system can be programmed. Burst patterns, controlled sequences, selective firing, all managed electronically, not mechanically. But there's something else. Heat. Firing that many rounds in rapid succession generates massive heat. And without traditional cycling to help dissipate it, thermal management becomes critical. Too much heat, too fast, and the system starts to fail. So now you have a weapon that trades mechanical limits for electrical and thermal limits. It doesn't slow down because it can't move fast enough. It slows down because of energy and heat. And that's a completely different kind of constraint. Now zoom out. This isn't just about rate of fire. It's about removing the dependency on moving parts, turning a mechanical system into an electronic one. Because once firing becomes signal-based instead of motion-based, speed stops being tied to physics the way it used to be. And when that happens, the definition of fast starts to change.